oath is something very, very beautiful, right? The safety, honor, and welfare of your country comes first, always and every time, right? The honor, welfare, and comfort of men you command comes next. Your own ease, comfort, and safety comes last, always and every time. And I think he lived to the ethos of that oath. We dreamt together for joining the forces. It was a dream we knitted together. And of course, Vikram was pretty upset when I couldn't make it because we attempted our first SSB together. This story is a biopic which talks about Vikram, but the story is about the valor of all 527 soldiers who lost their life. For me, it is not about Vikram again, I'm telling you. For me, it is about every soldier of the Indian Army. I think I'm blessed to be his sibling. I'll make it a point till the time I'm alive. I'll carry forward his legacy so that the world gets to know what every soldier is made of.
क्या एक civilian फौजी की life समझ सकता है? You think so?
They take a man out of you. My salute and kudos to every man in the uniform. I'm telling you this. Army is a family which will stay with you unless even you are gone. Do you think you get that respect in civil life? Do you think you get that in bureaucracy? Answer is no. Do you think you get in a corporate world? The answer is no. People should get inspiration from him. Because Army is a wonderful career. We should make NCC at least compulsory in every school and college. We should make the stories of these bravadors to be read in every school curriculum so that people get to know what the men in the uniform does for us.
Vishal, now that your dream is there, done, you've made a film, book is written, what is that you think you want to continue giving that respect to Vikram? Because you have done what you wanted to do.
So let me tell you, I go to a lot of colleges where I give a lecture and I talk only about Army because it was my dream. And I think that's the least I could do for all the men in the uniform. There's a place called Minerva Academy, basically in Chandigarh, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे students coaching लेने के लिए आते हैं. I am a regular visitor there. Just to go and pep the people up, pep the young students or aspirants up for joining the forces because I've seen armed forces very, very closely. I'm still a brother. Let the world ask a lady who's a widower of an army officer. You need a lot of courage. क्या होता है कि जब तक आपको जिंदगी का झटका नहीं लगता ना, so a lot of times my personal belief people don't learn the lessons. Is my personal view. Could be that, Vikram's loss made me become much more humble. It taught me a lot of lessons in life at such an early age of 24, which ideally I should have learned when I would have been 55 plus. Should have been learned in 50s or 60s.
Yes.
Right. So what happens is that when you get the jolt, you try to gather yourself. Right. I need no limelight for Vikram's this thing. I know that Vikram was my sibling. That's it. It stops there. Simple,
but it is
right?
difficult to be an army man's family, right? It is difficult. It takes a lot every day.
That's the reason I said I wish. It was my dream. It was my wish. And today I still believe that whatever has happened in the country today, he being a Paramveer Chakra, he being a Sher Shah of the Indian Army, I wish he was there to see it by himself. Think of what tears flow through my eyes when I look at two live PVCs, which is Grenadier Yogendra Yadav and Rifleman Sanjay Kumar. जब मैं उनको देखता हूँ, my tears don't stop. मुझे लगता है कि, and for me, they are like my brothers. They are men in the uniform. मुझे लगता है काश इस प्रोग्राम में विक्रम होता. Whenever I look at 26th January parade, and that's the only time when the live PVCs give the salute to the president and they walk in a open gypsy in that Rajpath lane. I always wish, gosh, मैं विक्रम को वहां देखता कि Vikram was taking and giving that salute to the President of India. See, nobody will understand those emotions, but you can't be vocal about these emotions. These are the emotions which run through your own body. It runs through your own body and mind. Right? So there are a lot of things, which you have to go through, but end of the day, you always have to keep a brave face. Reason is Vikram was a brave officer. If I start cribbing and crying over every little thing, what is the impression I'm leaving for Vikram?
I think the last, आपने जो बोला ना, उनका जो last image है आपके साथ, वो जो walk करके गए like a steel man. I think that has made you also, that aura that he gave when he left.
Yeah.
He said, no, when you dropped him, वो जो Vikram आपको दिखे.
Yeah.
So that has left that impact. Question. So Utkarsh is a journalist. He's also a creative writer. He's into movies and making a lot of stuff. So Utkarsh, what do you have to say?
Hi, Vishal. Let me tell you, where the story goes that you guys used to watch the Paramveer Chakra at
Yes.
somebody else's place while I was growing up. I used to see Paramveer Chakra Sahara pe aata tha tab, and I'd seen Vikram ki stories till then. And then I go to Sainik school and I was told I'm colorblind, so you can't join the army
Oh,
or
oh.
forces. So for me, Captain Pandey, Vikram, I always thought heroes are, for me, the definition of heroes were, Captain Manoj Pandey, Captain Vikram Batra. And I was telling somebody, 2 दिन में 2 बार कोई picture देख के अगर कोई रो सकता है तो that was Sher for me. And I
Thank you
think
so much. Thank you so much.
But
Thank
this
you.
I've heard from many. People have really cried.
Cried. Yes,
Yep.
yes.
So my question to you, Vishal, actually is that, one is the bravery part of Vikram, which we have all seen. Other is the skill, the strategy part of it. And when he came back in 98 after the posting in Kashmir, did you see a difference in him given what he had seen and what he was sharing from you?
So let me tell you, I'll take it back to 99, when he went for his commandos. That was my last meeting with him. And what had happened was that, and in fact, I would not relate it typically to the army life. Let me relate it to before he joined the academy. So what happened, I'm sure you would know that swimming is a very compulsory sport in the army. And we were, as I mentioned, that we were very keen sports person, Utkarsh across, right? I mentioned some of the sports we used to play. And Vikram, of course, took on to squash post, getting his commissioning from the Indian Military Academy. But what happened when he was selected, when he got his SSB result out, he knew that swimming is a weak link for him. And you know what he did? So if you've been to Chandigarh, there's a place called Hotel Mount View. And this is the only hotel which had a swimming pool. And Vikram's result got out on, as I mentioned, his SSB date was 12th of March 1996. 16 March, we got to know this merit. Academy was supposed to join in the month of June 1996. 3 महीने उसने Hotel Mount View का swimming club join कर लिया था. So his strategy started right from there. Number one. Despite the fact he knew that is a weak point, he made it a point, he learned the swimming. Second change, what I saw in him was, he was definitely a very good-looking guy. He had a good physique. He had joined a gymnasium here in Chandigarh. Then he went for his commando, and when he was coming back from his commandos, right? तो पहले होता था कि आप उससे normal बात करते हो तो you will find him as a normal army officer जो होते हैं, right? Not the aggression, because of course they're also very disciplined in terms of their conduct. When he came back from his commandos, he was a different guy, definitely. So एक बहुत मैंने बहुत बार I think media में share किया that there used to be a movie called Prahar, right? And Prahar हम दोनों की favorite movie हुआ करती थी उत्कर्ष. हमने पता नहीं कितनी बार मैंने और विक्रम ने एक वो movie और एक Top Gun movie, Tom Cruise. These two are our favorite movies. जो जीता वही सिकंदर was one of our favorite movies for both of us, right? तो क्या हुआ कि जब वो कमांडो करके आया और जब मैंने उसको पिक किया निजामुद्दीन रेलवे स्टेशन से, that was my last meeting with him. Vikram was a very lean guy. Let me tell you, he had become very lean. और मैंने उसको पूछा that is the commando exactly what we used to see in Prahar? So he said, Kush, sorry. Kush, Prahar is not even 1/10 of what a commando course is.
Wow.
So मैंने कहा, what was your reaction when they were telling you to do all that, whatever you do in a commando? They said, they take a man out of you. I still remember that. They take a man out of you. And when he said in the tone what he said, they take a man out of him. So मुझे लगा this guy is a changed personality now. He's no longer the same gentleman cadet who was there in the academy. He's a different commando now. And he took off his t-shirt like this. और जब मैंने उसकी पीठ देखी, it had bruises all over.
Oh my God.
So I said, it doesn't hurt you. He said, they make you like a man of steel. Right? तो तब मुझे लगा कि this guy has gone into a different tangent. तब तो हवा भी नहीं थी क्योंकि I'm talking March. Kargil happened in June. Of course, we got the first news of the infiltration in May. But 2 महीने थे. And last picture, which is embedded in my memory, Anku, you were asking me, which is that's the most beautiful sight I have of Vikram in my life, because there's the last time when I saw him. तो जब वो commando course से आया, we spent 5 hours together, and let me tell you, his favorite dish was bread omelette. So उसको मैंने पूरा bread omelette खिलाया. और दिल्ली में जो ISBT है उसका नाम है महाराणा प्रताप ISBT. मुझे नाम भी सब याद है. और we spent close to 5.5-6 hours together. I picked him around 7:30 in the morning. और उसके 1 बजे मैं उसको बस स्टैंड छोड़ने गया. And he was carrying a rucksack. That was his favorite style. rucksack of a green and a black color combination. He'll have a luggage on one side, and he used to have a squash racket because I told you that he picked up squash as a sport after his commissioning, or squash ka racket saath hota tha. And when I bid him goodbye, so I never thought, that would be my last goodbye. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little this thing. I never thought that would be my last goodbye to Vikram. But when he walked off, from the walk I could make, this guy is meant for something. And that was my last hug to him. That was my last goodbye to him. So it is not about that you'll ever think. So when it's a personality of an individual, wherein you can read a lot when you talk, when you look at him, his expressions, his gestures, his walk. I think I could get a lot of sense of a confidence which was different after his commandos. Let me tell you, let me share this experience, Ankur, just to answer you, Kirsch. When I stepped onto the 4875, and I'm telling you, I was fortunate that I could get a chance. I can die peacefully now because I could get the chance to touch that soil. I was, I'd requested that I want to go up on foot. But of course, I was not allowed because it was because of the security reasons that there are a lot of mines which are still there. And of course, Journal had recommended, Vishal, we can't risk your life because there are still mines which are there, which are planted by the enemy, and we don't know anything to go. It can dispose of in case you put a foot on that. So I was airlifted, but of course we landed around close to 250 meters before the actual peak. But when I reached that Batra top, let me tell you, the sensation what I had in my body was, how could our men in the uniform, everyone who was a part of the battle at 4875 or any other feature, Tololing 5140, 5100, 4700, whatever we talk about, how could these men really climb up at 17,000 feet where you don't have enough oxygen? And my head was throbbing with the pain when I landed. And these people were acclimatized only for 7 days. And I was fortunate that I was airlifted. These people had all the ammunition and the bag and everything, the weight around. And that's the reason I said that I don't know what is that sixth element these guys are made of. And it is for every man in the uniform. I salute and kudos to every man in the uniform. I'm telling you this. You need to be there. Every Indian, I can tell you. For me, that's a shrine. Not because he was my brother. I'm telling you, for me, the valor and sacrifice of Vikram, Manoj, Anuj, Vijan Thapar, all other martyrs, including the live PVC. We are fortunate that we have 2 live PVCs, Grenadier Yogendra Yadav and Sanjay Kumarji. I think the valor of these people is different. I don't know what is the sixth element they carry. I still don't have an answer for that sixth element. It is not courage for sure. I'm also courageous in my own world. But that courage is something else, where you know that you're in the line of the fire and you still have the guts to bloody take it head on. Get in a line of fire. Even in a corporate world, you would be in a line of fire, but I would be in a line of fire. Yes. But our line of fire is different because their line of fire, if you get there's no second chance you get. There's no retakes.
I think that feeling we get in a movie, we feel like we all can do it. But as you said, when you're there,
it is very difficult. Very, very difficult.
It is very difficult. Yeah. I would like to take Gaurav there before we have to allow Vishal.
So I have nothing to do with films, nothing to do with journalism. So I'm a regular banker.
Great. Did you know that?
Yes. Since my childhood, I always used to, hate army people. Okay. The reason why, because my Tauji was in Navy, and and whenever there's something which is needed at home, my Tauji was never there. हमारे दादाजी की तबीयत खराब हो, उनका एक्सीडेंट हो जाए, always my father, who is a younger son of my dada, he used to run around the hospitals and do all the things, घर की मरम्मत करनी हो, छत टूट गई हो. But yes, gradually जब धीमे धीमे बड़ा हुआ, बॉर्डर मूवी देखी, थोड़ा सा ग्रेजुएशन में गया, काफी फ्रेंड्स बने जो कि डिफेंस में जाना. So I belong to Lucknow, so काफी फ्रेंड्स बने जहाँ पे काफी लोग आर्मी में जाते थे. I think Border is the first film when I got a goosebump कि यार कुछ तो है ये.
I think Border really had that impact.
Yes,
exactly. Border for a person like me who's 80s born. But लेकिन मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि मैं खुद से अंदर से convinced नहीं हूँ कि if I have a son, why should I ask him to join Indian Army? Trust me, this is a very, very practical question. मतलब trust me, Vishal, I have a deep regards to the army officers, and but for example, your brother, he is gone now, right? And there are a lot of pride which is still there in this country for him, for you, for your family, but he's not here. The fact
Do you
is,
think
he's
that
not here.
cost is worth it? Are you asking that?
Exactly.
So, okay, so I'll tell you why. So I understood your question. So let me answer it. One, in terms of the army life today, it is not about only donning a uniform. It is about the quality of life, what you get. I'm sorry to answer, you are a banker. I am a banker. I don't know which bank you work for, right? I work for ICICI Bank. My dream was to join the forces. I couldn't. But doesn't mean that I'm not happy. But is it that what I wanted to in real life? The answer is still no. Right? While I'm paid well, I'm at a very senior level in the bank. I'm enjoying my life. But if I look back, this is not what I thought of doing in my life. And as you correctly mentioned, during our times, could be there was no choice. Let me answer it. If I don't know if that's the right answer. Because I'm 74 born, right? I'm 47 now. आपके पास क्या choice थी? MBBS कर लो, या engineering कर लो, या फौज कर लो.
Very true.
People didn't have a choice of a career. Today, my daughter, she's in a class 12th. She wants to pursue a career in the international relations. Do you think we could have ever thought of when I was at that age?
Of course not.
No, right?
True.
But when you look at the quality of life being in the corporate world, you have everything on your head all the time. And it is a life which is less ordinary than a life which is an extraordinary in the forces, I believe, because today, whether you want to don a uniform because you want to do something for the country, because the respect what you get, you don't get those shoulders just like this, stars on your shoulders just like this. There's a cost involved in that star, which that cost could be your life, right? Number one. Number two, if you are a great sports person, you still want to excel in sports. Do you think you'll get in civil life? The answer is no. I'm sorry, but I'm straight. We were great table tennis players. We never had the opportunity that we could represent internationally because we never had those benefits and facilities. Today, look at the man who got Olympic gold medal. First time in the history of athletic Olympics for India is Neeraj Chopra, who's a Fort Rajarif Subedar Major. So even if you want to pursue a career in sports or excel in studies, the army will provide you that. The army doesn't mean that you go into the battle straight away because you have divisions, you have infantry, you have artillery, right? But you can still pursue your career by donning that uniform. And third is something what you want to do different for your own country. That yes, you're the person who's protecting the motherland, as you said, Bharat Mata. And it is about having that faith in yourself that yes, you want to do it for your motherland. See, coming and you're so right, Gaurav. When I look back and when Vikram came in a coffin, let me tell you, that sight can never be out of my mind ever. Right? It can never be out of my mind ever. But everybody has to go one day. How many people would be remembered? You have to go one day. I have to go one day.
Wow.
There's a line.
Would we be remembered?
Very
nice.
Nice.
Remember there was somebody called Vishal Batra who was a banker and there was somebody like Gaurav who was a banker. Right? But
मतलब वो जाके भी अमर हो जाए.
Very true.
Like you said in the movie.
Right. And so Ketan, so the reality is, and I'll end it with one simple line. When you go home, tell them of us, we gave our today for your tomorrow. I think that's the reason you should join army. When you go home, tell them of us, we gave our today for your tomorrow.
Nice.
Look at Vikram. या तो तिरंगा लहरा कर आऊंगा या तिरंगे में चलाऊंगा लेकिन वहां पे जरूर आऊंगा. Look at Manoj Pandey. If death comes to me before I prove my blood, I promise I'll kill the death. तो जाना तो सबने है यार, सबने जाना है. मुझे लगता है, this is my view personally. I don't
No, I completely
able to
understand.
answer it correctly, but
No, absolutely.
It's your individual choice. But मुझे लगता है कि the respect what I'm sure that मैं और आप हैं, for example, and you are donning a uniform. And you're carrying 3 stars here, and I'm in a civil dress. Let me tell you, the world will get attracted towards you because you earned that uniform. You can buy a jean, I can buy it, you can buy. But can we buy a star and put it on the shoulder? The answer is no. For that, you have to have an earning. And then earning is the cost of your life, which is the line of fire. Is the way I look at an army as a life.
Very true, sir. Very well said, Vishal. I'll remember this.
And last answer, tell you, Gaurav, let me tell you this. It's been 22 years to Vikram.
Yep.
Believe you me, had it been a civil life for you and me, and for us, we are civilians, let me tell you, let's admit that, the reality of life. Army is a life. Army is a family which will stay with you unless even you are gone. Today, not even a single officer of the regiment who's not in touch with my parents or me. Wow. Every occasion,
That's so
whether
true.
it is a regimental day, it's a flag day, it's an Independence Day, it's Vikram's birth anniversary, it's Vikram's martyrdom anniversary, it is my birthday, it's my parents' birthday. Believe my words. For them, Vikram Batra means it's Vikram Batra's family. It is not about Vikram Batra alone.
They don't forget your sacrifice.
Do you think you get that respect in civil life? Do you think you get that in bureaucracy? Answer is no. Do you think you get in a corporate world? The answer is no. So that's the reason I tell people, don't get colored by, अरे army में जाके means अगर तुमको border में post कर दिया तो life is at stake. अरे जाना सबने यार. You never know how many people die in an accident. How many people will remember you?
So beautiful.
I'm sorry, I'm being straight.
Very nice. No, trust me, Vishal.
No,
I will
I'm so
remember these
happy
words throughout
Gaurav
my
you
life.
asked this. So happy.
I will definitely remember this throughout my life. Thank you.
Vishal, one thing before you close, we have this thing of dedicating something. You've dedicated a movie to Vikram. You've dedicated your life to him. I can so relate the way you vividly remember everything. ऐसा लग रहा है आपने 24 साल नहीं. You've lived like you're living with him even now. We feel
Yes.
it vividly, एक second, as if you really relive it every day. Somebody told me to forget the loved one who's gone. You need to stop revisiting the memory. But I see you visiting every second now. चाहे हमारे थ्रू या आपके थ्रू. So one question very short is, इतने साल तक जब तक मूवी नहीं बनी, बुक नहीं लिखी गई, TEDx नहीं हुआ, did you feel that he was lost name? He was not so.
No, not at all. Not at all. Let me tell you, I would have got thousands and thousands of mail in my mailbox, which are anonymous mails, right? Somebody's writing me from London, somebody's writing from Canada. Let me tell you, I was doing a short stint in London. Let me tell you, through my own bank in 2004, I went to one of the restaurants. And he said, when I wrote my name, Vishal Batra, hey, are you related to Captain Batra in India? Let me tell you this. I'll be very honest. I'm very honest. I'd fly, I don't know how many number of people I would have met in the airports. Hey, you look like Vikram. Are you related to the Captain Batra? So I don't think his name was not there because, you know, Sher Shah was always there. But yes, people would, through this movie, people would have known Vikram Batra as an individual. No doubt he was a man in the uniform and he will always stay as a man in the uniform. He will always stay as a soldier. But to me, I don't think Vikram was a less name earlier also. But I'm happy about it that people would know the valor of all our men in the uniform. Again, conveying the same message. It is not just about Vikram. It is about every man who has shown that valor and courage in the battlefield. And I've been living my life like this. Answer is, I've been telling you that I don't think any days have gone by where we don't remember him, and I don't need somebody else to remember him. If I am remembering him, it means, you know, he's living his life and I'm living his life through him. For me, that counts. But I think the way people have showered his love, I would definitely take this opportunity to thank everyone. The way people remember him, his valor, his deeds, I think I can only bow in front of the world. And I would only want that, you know, people should get inspiration from him. His army is a wonderful career. And I think whatever different we can do in our lives, again, it is not a question that not everybody will get a chance to don the uniform, because it's also a destiny which comes into the play. But there's no harm in trying. My personal, you know, one message I'll leave with is that we should make NCC at least compulsory in every school and college. We should make the stories of these bravadors to be read in every school curriculum so that people get to know what the men in the uniform does for us. How many people, you know, would have known? I'm sorry, but let me ask you, even if I ask somebody, do you know how many Paramveer Checks have been given in India since the independence? People would not even know that. And it is not about that medal. Let me tell you this. It is not about this medal at all.
It's about celebrating it more. It's about
celebrating it every day. Why do we have to remember those martyrs?
More such. I'm so glad you have made this. Right. One song you would like to dedicate to Vikram before you leave us with a thought. So much you've said. We've taken our line also that our army leaves you, the man out of you. But agar aaj bola jaye kuch.
Bola song, of course, you know, a little difficult for me to, you know.
जो आप दोनों के यादों से जुड़ा हो, you hum it today, yeah.
There were a lot of, he was very fond of listening to Kishorda and Ladadi. Whenever I think of him, you know, nothing gonna change my love. You know, this is this one which, you know, irrespective is not with me, but I think we loved each other, you know, a lot as brothers. Right, so while he's not physical around, but my love for him will never go. He was love to me, and my love for him will never go down. So nothing gonna change my love.
Any two lines you want to sing it for us?
I don't know the complete. Nothing gonna change my love for you. You know how much I love you. No. It's something like this, you know. So of course I don't remember
those.
That's
so touching, Vishal. I think you've also clarified, Vishal, on the wrong picture of Dimple being used everywhere. I have We have seen
Yes,
that.
yes, that's a wrong picture and the wrong word of Mangetar, which I'm very, very upset about, right? And I think people are asking, tell her to come into the picture. As mentioned, she's like my sister. We should let her maintain her privacy if she wishes to maintain, right? She's been in touch with us. Aisa nahi hai that she doesn't speak. We speak to her. We really tried convincing her to get married. To be very honest with you, I really tried hard. My mom and dad really tried hard. But then, of course, there are certain decisions which are personal. There are certain decisions which are personal, and I think people should respect her own privacy, right? They should let her respect her privacy, I think.
Did you like the movie Shersha? Do you think it has come out really?
It has come out really well. Yes, I think I give compliments to entire crew, for Dharma and of course to Shabir Bhai to bring it a real good story on the front. I think it has done a complete justice, is my view. Of course, as you mentioned that there could have been a lot of things which could have been put together but then into the 2 hour, 2 ghante ke hisab se, it's a beautiful script. Beautiful script.
You could relive it. We're so happy to have you.
I had never been to a crematorium ever in my life until I lost Vikram. And when we took the Vikram out of the coffin, jab mujhe dad ne bola ki you'll have to lit the pyre, I didn't have the courage, I'll be very honest with you. या तो तिरंगा लहरा कर आऊंगा या तिरंगे में लिपटा चलाऊंगा लेकिन वापस जरूर आऊंगा. And when I bid him goodbye, so I never thought that would be my last goodbye. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little this thing. I never thought that would be my last goodbye to Vikram.
You had a great bonding with each other.
Yes, we were the best of the bond, we were the best of the buddies, we were the best of the confidants. So हम दोनों का जो bond था ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा bond था. I believe that Vikram is just gone physically away from me. For the world he could be a Shersha. जितना भी whatever movie has come up, whatever pride we are seeing, मेरे को हमेशा ही लगता है I wish he was there to see by himself. If I have to talk, the only tribute I could give to him was when we lost him. How can I carry forward his legacy?